Welcome to the in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y90, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So first let's open the box. Here in this paper box we have the SIM eject tool, the quick start guide, a warranty card, the safety guides. The next thing which we can find here, this is the protective silicone case. In my case it's in clear color, so let's use it with our HUAWEI device. And also we have here the USB Type-C cable and the HUAWEI original Supercharger Brick. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.